It's the same exact idea with this one, 3b. Again, we need to identify the function. When it's written in this form, however, we are looking at the limit as delta x goes to 0 of f of c plus delta x minus f of c divided by delta x. So this time, it's not quite as straightforward to identify your function. You have to identify your c value, which is going to be the thing shoved in next to the delta x inside your function. So c is 8 in this case. And then you have to look beyond the c plus delta x there, and you need to recognize that that's as if that were an x and it was inside our function. So we've got 6 times the cube root of x is our function. 6 times the cube root of x. And again, we're going to write that as 6 times x to the 1/3. And I'm going to take the derivative, f prime of x. Power rule, I'm going to use 1/3 times 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. X, 1/3 minus 1 is negative 2/3. So I'm going to write this as 2 over x to the 2/3. And now I need to substitute in my value of 8 to find f prime of 8, because that's what this limit is actually asking for, the value of the derivative at the x value of 8. So let's take 2 and let's plug it in here. And what I just said is not a real thing that I meant to say. I meant to say, let's write 2 in the numerator, and then let's plug in 8 down here. So you might be like, how do I do 8 to the 2/3? Well, you can either take 8 and square it and get 64, and then take the cube root of 64 to get 4. Or it's a little easier if you take 8 and cube root it to get 2, and then square it to get 4. Either way, we get 2 over 4, which is 1/2. And we have found the value that we were looking for.